Alright guys, welcome back. It's C. Just got this popped in, came up, heard a knock at the door, and here we are. So I don't know exactly, I have an idea what's in here, but not exactly sure. So go ahead and find out. Probably a pretty good bet that it's a Reebok of some sort, I would envision, but once in a while I do sway away and grab something that is, creative or unique. Quality looks good. Ooh, look at that box. Did not. It's double boxed and that took care of the damage. Unfortunately, no. No double box, which means that I guess it's not damaged. And I can't remember. This might have actually came, or I might have purchased this off of eBay knowingly with, not having a box. Which is very likely, actually. And this is a pair I'd never seen before. And it's used, obviously, but I had to grab it. Spent a lot of time in the last, 3-4 years just looking at Club C's and, reading and learning about different models as they come out and release and whatnot. And, through doing that, I come across a lot of different, silhouettes, iterations that I wouldn't, see if I wasn't looking specifically for different Reebok Club C information. So I'd never seen this before. Only thing it really said, and the only thing I could really find, I couldn't find anything other than basically the eBay listing. But it's got an SE on it, and that is, representing special edition, which is, limited quantities, you'd assume. Leather looks good. Looks like it's a, I don't know if it's a garment, but it's strong, but yet has some suppleness to it. Definitely used, has some creasing, a couple scars from wear there, but the price I paid for this is well worth a few little nicks and blemishes, especially, like I said, when it's a shoe that I've never come across before and haven't been able to find any information about yet. So, if anybody does know more, please, in the comments below, leave some information for me, drop some knowledge, teach me something. I'd love to know more about it. I don't know if it's, they kind of change things. It's almost like a Revenge because it has the vector, but it's not in all the way. So I don't know. Probably wouldn't be called a Revenge. But if you know, the Revenge 2 is essentially what became the Club C. So anyway you go about it, there is going to be some relationship there. So here's a look at the other one. Not great condition, but not horrible either. I got them for the specific reason that I hadn't come across or seen them before. So the straps that I was talking about before, right there is the strap. Now I could be wrong, but I venture to say that's an original strap, not like the ones that Eames were recreating. Same thing, but I think this, and I could be totally off base, but I think that's probably from the original, how they used to do it and how they're now starting to model some of their designs after, to go retro like that. So anyway, that is Reebok Club C SE, about all the information I have. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment below. Tell me more about this sneaker if you know it. All in all, have a great, wonderful, hypeless day. Take care. C out.